Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my experience using the K18 hairline for my kinky coily colored hair. As you know, maintaining colored texture hair can be a challenge, but K18 promises to repair and strengthen hair from the inside out. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we are going to start with the K18 Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo. Now, this shampoo is designed to remove buildup and prep your hair for the K18 treatment. I like to use this to keep my scalp and hair clean, and I like to make sure that my hair is thoroughly wet, as always, before applying shampoo. I'll start by taking a generous amount of the shampoo and massaging it into my scalp using my fingertips. It's very important to focus on the scalp because that's where most of the buildup occurs, and then I drag the shampoo down the strand. I really take my time to shampoo through my hair, making sure every strand gets some love, even my kitchen, and then after a good 2 to 3 minute massage, I rinse it out thoroughly. I don't know about you, but I just love the feeling of the water hitting my scalp from the shower head. Like, it almost makes me want to wash my hair every day, but not really. Next, we're moving on to the K18 Peptide Prep pH Maintenance Shampoo. Now, this one is more gentle and can be used every single wash day. And honestly, I prefer this shampoo over the Detox one. I'm using a much smaller amount this time, and I'm focusing again on my scalp. This shampoo is great for maintaining the health of your hair without stripping away those natural oils. I massage the pH maintenance shampoo into my scalp and I work it down the length of my hair, same as before. I love that it's got a nice lather and it feels so refreshing. So after a couple minutes, I rinse it out completely and my hair already feels cleaner and more manageable without feeling stripped. I just want to remind you that you don't have to use both cleansers. Please listen to what your hair needs and don't over cleanse, as that can be damaging to your hair. Now it's time for the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. This is the star product that everyone raves about and also calls overpriced, but it is designed to be used after shampooing and you don't need to rinse it out. So I towel dried my hair and sectioned it into 4 kinda even sections, and I made sure there was no excess water in my hair before applying it. I take 1 pump of the K18 mask and work it through my hair, starting from the ends and working my way up. This mask is super concentrated, so honestly, a little goes a long way, and I could probably get away with using only 2 pumps for my entire head. I make sure to distribute it evenly through my hair, and it's important not to use conditioner before applying this mask because it works best on clean hair. I do have a few videos focused specifically on the K18 mask, so if you haven't seen those, make sure you check them out. They're linked in the description box. So once the mask is evenly distributed, I just let it sit for the 4 minutes because today I'm actually going to follow up with their conditioner. After those 4 minutes, you can do whatever you want. You can go ahead and style your hair. You can follow up with a deep conditioner. And today, like as I mentioned before, I'm gonna follow up with the K18 Damage Shield Protective Conditioner. This conditioner is supposed to shield hair from daily damage and also help to maintain your hair's health by improving smoothness and shine, and also helps with detangling. I don't know if you saw, but this conditioner is actually pretty thick just to be a regular kind of run-of-the-mill conditioner. So I am applying this on damp hair. I'm using my spray bottle to re-wet my hair. For my texture, I typically like soaking wet hair. I like to make sure that I can apply conditioner and like smooth it through my strands and really work it in, but I try my best to follow the instructions. But you know, sometimes you gotta rework the instructions for your type hair, so I'm actually still figuring it out. Once this was applied all over, I did cover my hair with a plastic bag for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's just how I like to deep condition. And I also want to make note that you don't have to use the mask and the conditioner on the same wash day. If you're scared that it's going to somehow weaken the mask, don't do it. Just use it on a different wash day and I'm sure your hair will come out fine. But I let this sit, and next I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looked like once I rinsed it out. And here you have it. This is Fred in the wild. I have no product in my hair and my hair is still damp. I feel like this is a great reset maintenance wash day. I love to do this occasionally. If you want to see how I style my hair, make sure you are subscribed. That video will be coming up soon. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.